All right, we're at Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas, in room 5073 in the Wolf Den. Let's open the door here with our wristband. See if we can get some lights on. Look at this. It's lovely. Get the door closed. When we first walk in, we're going to see some pillows and blankets, ironing board, a hair dryer. We got some coat hangers over here. Little sink. Bathroom over here. Get a light on. Does look like we have a shower with a small tub with Great Wolf Lodge shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. Toilet. Plenty of towels. Hey, how are you? Check out my ears. Very cool. Over here, we're going to have a microwave, a little ice bucket. We do have a small coffee pot with some dark roast. Looks like we do. Let's see. Is this a mini fridge? No, this is going to be a mini refrigerator. So not a mini bar, so you can bring whatever you want in there. Then over here, we've got the Wolf Den, which is going to be 2 bunk beds, very well themed. There is a television in here, so your kids can come in here and watch TV while mom and dad hang out over here. This is going to be a queen size bed. We've got 2 end tables. It looks like we've got some USBs and 2 power outlets. More power outlets and USBs here with an alarm clock. Beautiful. We do have a television over here. There is a safe in the wall. Looks like plenty of drawers here. Lots of space. Looks like we've got a little table with 2 chairs and a couch. Let's see, is this a pull-out? That is a pull-out, so this could also be a bed as well. So there's going to be plenty of space for your family to be here at the Great Wolf Lodge. Let's take a look at the view. There is Grapevine, Texas. Anyway, what do you think? Have you ever been to the Great Wolf Lodge? This is going to be our 2nd trip here. Really excited to be here again. Let me know down in the comments. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you.